Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenza to TV. It's a Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Sekhukhune 3. I'm joined by Hannes.
You know what? People call themselves love and peace. And today there's really love and peace in the country. This is the real love and peace which is in the country. You know, there's one thing they need to learn, these people. They mustn't swallow before they chew. Yes, they mustn't swallow before they chew. As I was coming to the stadium, some were telling me that, do you know how many minutes is left for you to be off the top? I said, how many minutes? They said 3 minutes. Then you know what I said to them? I said, okay, it's fine, but tell me who is going to be on top. And they said, you know, the Glamour Boys. I said, remember, you're not playing with Sundowns. You're playing with Sekhukhune. Yeah, Kukuna club here. Kukuna. And you know what they did? Last time when Zweli was standing with me, I told him that he's going to sleep very well after we lost to that team from Egypt in the final. Yes. And people, today the whole country is gonna sleep. Baby sleep. Peaceful. Baby sleep. Peaceful like the whole
country is at peace now.
And I just want to address everybody, especially Amakos. They need to have a level of respect of these two stars. These stars. These are the only two teams in the country with the stars. These are the only teams in the country with the 2 stars. And they are the 2 teams representing the country in the CAF. Not Confederations Cup.
CAF.
Where they...
Not Makufe Cup.
Not Makufe Cup.
CAF.
You know what is good about Chiefs now? Is that slowly they are dropping. They're going back to their normal position. Which they know they're always fighting relegation. So the good thing is that we love them for their nickname. Everything is glamoring today. They are called Glamour Boys. So everything is in love and peace. So we're in love and peace with them. And Nabi, welcome back, my brother. Keep on doing the good work.
This was his first game.
Yes, this was his first game. Nabi, we love you.
Nabi.
We love you. After 5 games, there was noise. We couldn't sleep. Today we are going to sleep.
Mr. Mutau, Mr. Bowie, and then all the management of Kaizer Chiefs. Can they just please give Nabi a 3 years contract?
Extension.
Please. Extension. Please. Please. But pay extension. The guy is very good, Joe. Nabi knows what he's doing.
Exactly.
These people, they are busy talking. Nabi is cooking. Why are you crying? Nabi is good. Nabi must not go.
Nabi must not go. We love him. He's doing very well. This is the Chiefs we know.
This is the Kaizer Chiefs that we know.
This is the standard.
I came. You said
Force of gravity. Pulling them when they
today, Sekhukhune versus Olamtutu. FC. So I'm surprised why people are crying. Olamtutu FC. Sekhukhune beat us.
Every day.
Another colleague.
4 games. 4.
Sekhukhune, thank you. Thank you for doing the job for us. We love you, Sekhukhune, for making us to sleep peaceful today. Everything is going to be fine.
4 games.
We love you, Sekhukhune.
16 million. Really for 16 million. Yeah, for 4 games. He signed 4 games. 16.
Which one is this one?